Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftshoeprint.com. In this episode we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Anne Lever, and the cup number is Cup 1115091_1763 and it's called Rose Elegance 2. It's for an 8x8" square card. There's 3 sheets in the kit. You get the card front, the decoupage, the sentiments, insert and gift tags. And I'd like to show you exactly what you get, and then we can go ahead and make the card. So the first sheet that you get is actually the card front, and then we've got the sentiments, 3 sentiments and a blank one. So if you've got a stamp or a die that you'd like to use in the blank one, or maybe you'd like to use that as the handmade by for the back of the card, the options are there for you. Our second sheet is the decoupage to build a card front. So we've got quite a large layer, and then we've got the flowers and the hat to add. Our third layer is the insert for the centre of the card, and then we've got some gift tags as well. So we're going to use one of the gift tags on the back of the card, but then you could coordinate and quite easily cut one out, add a little hole and a bit of ribbon, and you've got a gift tag for a gift. So let's go ahead and make the card. I'm using an 8x8" square card, just in white. And as I say, I'm going to start and just add something to the back of the card, because I think it's going to tie it in nicely. I'm going to use one of the gift tags. I've got flat double-sided adhesive tape on the back, so I'm just taking away the carrier sheet, and I'm just going to position that towards the bottom of the card, like so, and press it down. And I just think, you know, sometimes when you see all the fancy cards in shops, they've got just something on the back of them, and I think it's just going to tie it in nicely. Now I'm having the seam of my card to the top, so I'm going to flip the top over, and for the insert panel, I've cut it out. I've got flat tape on the back, and I can peel away the carrier sheet from the back of the tape. You use whichever glue that you're comfortable using, whether it's wet glue or a tape runner, whatever you're happy using. And I'm going to just add the insert panel through the centre of our card, and when I'm happy it's in position, I'm going to press it down. There we go. And I'm also going to use one of the sentiments. Now the sentiments I've chosen to add inside is with love. I've just got flat tape on this as well, and I'm just going to position it just to the side of the insert, just towards the top. There we go. So we've got a nice amount of room for our messages and whatever we want to say. So now we can turn our attention to the front of the card. So the front of the card, we've got the card front. I've cut it out. I've got flat double-sided adhesive tape on the back, so I can peel the back of the tape away, and then add the card front to the centre of our card, and it'll give a little white edge just around the sides. And once I'm happy, I can press that down into position. Then I can build the decoupage. So our first layer is quite large. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I don't know if you can see, there's some nice intricate bits for the decoupage. I've used very fine tweezer scissors, or you could use a craft knife, whatever you feel comfortable using. So this is my first layer, and I'm just going to add the layer picture to picture on the front. So you just marry up the image of the image below. Press it down when you're happy. Then I can start and add the flowers. So this is the first flower I'm going to add. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I can just match the flower up to the flower in the corner, press it down. Then we've got the flower in the opposite corner, exactly the same, 3D foam on the back, marry up the image and press it down. We've then got the lady's hat, 3D foam on the back. Just add the hat over the previous layer, press it down. And then to finish the card, I've taken the sentiment that says happy birthday and I'm going to add it just towards the bottom, half on, half off, and press it down when I'm happy it's in position. And that is our card finished. As you look at it, you can see those lovely layers that we've added, our sentiment and the flowers in the corner and the flowers that we've cut out. Matches perfectly for our insert, and we've tied it together with our smaller gift tag on the back. Beautiful design. I'd like to remind you of the actual cup number for the design. It's cup 115091 underscore 1763, and it's by Anne Lever. And you can see any of Anne's designs by going to the Crafts You Print website and typing in Anne Lever. So I just hope this has given you a little bit of inspiration and maybe a bit of creativity. So I'd like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.